everyone, welcome back to another fun segment of First Impressions. Today I'm trying this unique yet interesting makeup tool, which is a Miss Claire Auto Foundation Applicator. This is of rupees 350, but you will get a discounted price online. Honestly, I never really thought there would be some other tool for foundation application apart from makeup sponges, brushes, or our magical fingers. And I'm pretty excited to try this product because, oh my god, foundation applicator. Wow. So this says it's auto patting type, antibacterial puff, vibration control. Interesting. Let's unbox together. Unbox. Oh wow, it's pretty huge. Wow, this looks pretty cool. I've never seen something like this. To use this, we have to put batteries in this. Look at this. We need AA batteries. Let me insert the batteries and see if this product is actually working or not. So it comes with a speed button. We can select the speed. We have 3 options here. One is off, obviously. Then speed 1, which is normal. And the second one is the higher speed. Let's see how it is working. I'm going on the speed 1. Okay, it's still really fast. Let's see on the speed 2. Okay, I'm pretty excited. So I just have to move this tool and it is going to blend my foundation seamlessly and smooth. That's what it claims to be. It feels like a massager for my face. So it comes with 4 extra puffs, so I can use it whenever this one is almost done. I have 4 options. But what if I use all of them? Then what? I have to purchase this whole tool again for the puffs? I don't know. Let's see. Let's not wait further. Let's start. So this says spread the foundation over the puff, then use it. But I think I'll prefer putting the foundation using my fingertips on my face, then blend with this tool. I can also try using this method, but I think that would work better for me. I'm taking my foundation. I'm taking 2 foundations. Okay. I hope this covers and gives me a smooth, seamless finish. Okay, let's try speed 1 first. This is the normal speed. Fingers crossed. It feels so soft. Okay, they have mentioned around the eye area, because it's sensitive, you have to use the speed 1 because it is made for the sensitive areas. And for the whole face, you can use the speed 2, which is pretty harsh. Okay, for the face, let me try the higher speed. I'm trying to blend the foundation in my nose corners. Yes, done. Woohoo. Okay, I think this is giving me a nice glowing, foundation look. But after 1 use, I feel like I have to change it. Look at this. This soaked all my foundation. Although if you're looking for a full coverage foundation look, this will not help you. This is for more natural, seamless look. My foundation was full coverage, but this soaked all the product, so why? So as you can see, this puff is over and I have to change it. I will show you guys how to change this. Aise to it will get over all 4 of them. Let's open this. I don't think these are washable. Oh, wait. I don't understand. It's stuck. Okay, now I got it. I have to pull the whole thing out. Ho ja, dal ja. Perfect. If you are looking for something fun, you can try this product, but This does the 70% of your work, but you still need to touch up, you know. So for fun, you can try this product. This works as a face massager for you. It is good. But what if I use all the 4 puffs? It's not even washable. You know, for me, it's not worth it. Fingers are always better. So this was it for today's episode. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Select by Pinkvilla. If you have any products in mind, comment down below and we will be back with your request. Bye.